Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I purposely put this machine by our corner dog bed to let you know that yes, we have dogs and dogs make messes. So part of messes is cleaning them up, and that's where this comes in. This is the Power Elite Scrub by Hoover, or the Power Scrub Elite by Hoover. It will run you as of March of 2022 around $180, probably give or take 10 or 20% depending on the deal you find. We just got this one to replace our old one because they don't last forever, but we used the heck out of the last one. A little bit about this one. It comes with a cool little storage mat that will keep the dirty water from your clean places. You know, put that where you're going to store it. It's just a nice little thing. The hose attachment is about 8 feet long, and it comes with two hoses or two attachments for upholstery and stuff. One with kind of this rubber bristle brush to work on pet hair, and then your standard bristle, normal nylon bristle that just snaps in place where that red one would be. They also come with a bag to store that when you're not using it. Looking at the machine, it's got a 12-inch cleaning path, and it has a deep clean mode to really get embedded stains out, and it has a quick clean mode, which is good for freshening up a carpet. By the way, the quick clean mode will let you dry your stuff in as little as 45 minutes. It's got a big tank for the dirty water tank down below, and I believe it's a 1.7 gallon tank. Dirty water, nope, 1.25. It has 360 degree brushes on the bottom. Let's look at this thing. 5 brushes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all are counter rotating, so when this turns, they all rotate differently. It also has side brushes. Good spin scrub technology there. Separate cleaning tank and solution tank on the top. You got solution on one side, water on the other. It automatically mixes it for you, and has a wash mode and a rinse mode. So a couple controls you have to do. Select your cleaning mode, select which mode you're going to do, just wash, which also puts in the solution, or rinse, which does not put in the solution. Down at the bottom again, we've got a hose attachment down here. On the back of the machine, you have your manual handle release and your power button. This just lets you go back and forth. And the operating trigger up here dispenses the solution when you're in that mode. That's about it. A nice retractable, or a nice cord to wind up in the back. And it's a long cord, it's about 20 feet long. That's it. I just wanted to show you what you're going to get when you buy a Hoover Power Scrub Elite pet model. Works really good. I've got to tackle a mess from one of our puppies. Right after this, we'll get to it. Thanks for watching.